Hello everyone. My name is Gnanaraju. I am a health coach and fitness coach. I wanted to share with you one presentation on how to earn extra income, sitting from home and like being a health coach and wellness coach, how can, make a huge income, how to become financially independent. So this presentation lasts for about half an hour. And in this presentation, I'm going to take you through how fitness trainers, like including dance trainers, how can they become financially independent. So this is me. You can see some of the pictures in that. So there we were making some of the clients to do workouts, including dance workouts and some fitness workouts, and through which you can become, make some definitely money. But if you understand the whole business opportunity, you can make an even bigger thing. So this is conducting some few fun games and workout challenges. And basically, good nutrition plus healthy active lifestyle is equal to support immunity health. So everybody is looking for immunity health. And for immunity, you require good nutrition also, plus some explanation also required, like explaining the people, educating the people of the lifestyle changes. That's what exactly what we do. We teach them, reading the labels, how to dine out at the show, how to dine out when they go to restaurants or outside parties, and we teach them, everything, including the what kind of recipes to be taken. So if you can able to incorporate this also as part of your thing, your profession, you make a lot of money. So we have the energy drinks, different flavors: ilachi, ginger, cinnamon, lemon, peach, including tulsi. And we also have a lot of metabolism boosting, nutrients, supplements. And this is like a shake, nutritious shake. It's like a complete meal by itself. It's like by and large same cost, but a different, thing. It is a nutrition dense, whereas our food is mostly calorie dense. Nutrition is less. So this has got a lot of awards, like a healthy breakfast. And we also have supplements for joint health, like, we have entire range for the sports and fitness. We have the sports nutrition. And if you understand, most of the people nowadays, they're looking for, fitness. They're spending a lot of money on fitness and healthy active lifestyle. Herbalife is very professionally dedicated one range for Herbalife 24. We have the sports range, particularly for hydrate, during the workout, post workout, and pre workout, snacks and meal bars. A lot of things are there. These are all international quality, very high quality. And we also have our H24 rebuild strength based on, BCCAs, branch chain amino acids, and L-glutamine. And most of the fitness, nutrition, they offer you some kind of, poor quality, or they may give you some incentives to make money, but they don't partner you. They don't tell you that you are the owner of the company. But this company makes you something like a partner. You are like a owner. You can take a decisions along with the company. So these are award-winning products. And we also have collagen-based support like Skin Booster, collagen drinks for wrinkles free, looking good, feel good, wrinkle, dry skin, Skin Booster kind, made up of hydrolyzed fish collagen, including all vitamins and minerals for skin. And if you understand, this is the Herbalife Nutrition is the number one brand in entire world. So it's a number one brand in not only meal replacement, but also in weight management. And these are all award-winning products. And this is the one I wanted to tell you, presentations I am going to share with you step by step. Please be open-minded. If you understand, if you like it, fine. If you don't like it, but just listen, so that you can able to share to some of your friends or family members. So there is nothing more dangerous than believing there is only one right way. There are a lot of ways to make money. This is one of the best way. Of course, you are making money, but just have a look. Why not to supplement, upgrade yourself into a high level income? So what are you doing with your time? Does it create more free time for you in the future, or you are stuck up there? Most of the time, fitness coaches, dance trainer, they're stuck up in the time. They don't have free time. All the time busy, 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 but less income. This is what rich people do. Rich people don't do what poor people do. Poor people don't do what rich people do. Rich people don't do hard work. They do smart work. You require to understand. The key to financial well-being is to focus on acquiring assets, not just acquiring income. So don't study only for acquiring income, but study to acquire assets. That's what we are going to teach in the part of the trainings. So this is what my guru, my mentor, Jim Rohn says: profits are better than wages, because wages make you a living, profits make you fortune. How much ever you work hard, wages are wages, salaries are salaries. Job will not make you rich. Profits are. So it's business make you rich, not the job. So how much ever work hard, but neither live nor die when you work in a job. So that's the reason I go for business. But which kind of business? People gets, who will support you? Who are the seniors to guide you? And who will give you training? This is going to be big challenges for you if you wanted to start your business. But if you wanted to start, join like a job, there are always like a boss, there are targets, there are a lot of stress. So taking another job will not fix the problem. Creating additional pipelines of cash flow is the solution. So you have to create the cash flow. So to build the business, actually you have to build the people first, then they build your business. This is what Zig Ziglar says. So now as a fitness trainer or dance trainer, you might be having your own, suppose you may be working or you may be having your own studio. So you may be having your own gym center. So there are some benefits, there are also cost. If you study this slide, there are publicity costs, studio maintenance costs, and you have to pay rent, and you have to get a lot of amenities, and you have to hire some trainers also along with you. But benefits also there: good recognition, fan following, and you can earn some money on the fees and personal training and salary on fitness gym, and commission on nutrition supplements. But though it's independent, but there is also risks also there. This is again, it will tell you about the cost benefit analysis, risk benefit analysis. You earn money, but problem is, though it's a simple one, you like this passion, but it's like after some time you don't become rich. After some time you get stuck. And if there is you don't upgrade yourself with the latest technology. Very few people get the training, whereas outside, if somebody big competitor comes, your profession gone, right? Risk of competition, ever changing, style of, dance and gym workouts, running with the time to make more money, ultimately end up in frustration. You lose your health. I saw a lot of trainers, they themselves losing health, and they don't have enough time for their family, naturally ruining their family lives. Limited growth, and limited, they're not exposed to international level quality of trainings. And particularly, there is no royalty income. Royalty is the income, is like a residual income. Even after you stop working, still the income should come. This creates that residual income, and no training and support. So either you run the day or the day runs you. That's what Jim Rohn says. You have to cash the time. Time is very important. If you lose the time, you're gone. So particularly your good young days. So to make money, there are only 4 ways to make money: either by employee or self-employed, business owner, investor. Left side, employee and self-employed. 95% of the people either become employees or self-employed like you. But problem is, they only make 5% of the whole income, people's income. So whereas the right side people, business owners, investor, out of 100, only 5% of the people come for this business owner, investor, and they make 95% of the wealth. So that's the reason why we want to tell you, be in the right side rather than left side. So I was a government employee before. I worked for government and public sector for 15 years. Then I resigned my job and joined into business. Now that whatever I earn money, that I'm investing. If you had a chance to read, please read this Rich Dad Poor Dad Cash Flow. That will help you how to become rich. And there are monkey nuts. Most of the people have this monkey tendency. They want both banana as well as the hand. So hunters know the weakness of the banana, weakness of the monkey. So they keep the banana in a very narrow lipped, bottle. So monkey tries to eat the banana, but it wants banana also, the bottle also, the hand also. So the hunter knows this weakness, so he'll come and make it as like a permanent slave. So most of the time we want both financial freedom, we want to make a lot of money, but we don't want to leave our, small things. So I want you to understand the whole presentation. So you may be having your rat race. So come to wealth side instead of rat race. So financial freedom and ultimate financial freedom, you require to have your own business. It's not the starting point, it's the ending point is very important for you. So to make more money alongside the time, it's not just a hard work. If you keep on working very, very hard, rickshaw pullers also work hard. Auto people work hard, but they don't become rich. Ambani's, Birla, they don't. Yes, you require to work hard, but it is a more than hard work. It's a smart work. You have to leverage on people's energy and time. It's economic word called leverage. Means you have to work with many people. You have to work with, they use their man hours so that you make more money and they also make more money. So in our company, we have 8 kinds of different kind of incomes. In my government job, I only had one income, salary, whereas here 8 incomes. In your profession, maybe 1, 2, 3 incomes. Here, retail income, wholesale, royalty, monthly bonus, annual bonus, club profits, international free family vacations, and special bonuses. And you will be called like a wellness coach here, whereas there you will call like a trainer. It is like a total big profession, more than a trainer. You will call as wellness coach or health coach. In this, you are coaching them, not just only exercises, but also the diet and lifestyle corrections. Very nice profession. This is very much suitable for you. You make multiple income, job satisfaction effect will be, and it's independent business. You can go travel abroad and you can retire early a few hours. You don't require to work so many hours, and unlimited growth. You can leverage and you can leave this entire business to your children. Residual income is there, and you can also get into a lot of money. How much ever money you wanted, it is over here. If you want 5,000, we have it. If you want 10,000, we have it. If you have 50,000, we have it. If you're looking for 1 lakh per month, we have it. If you're looking for 20 lakhs per month, we have it. If you're looking for 50 lakhs per month, we have it. If you're looking for 1 crore per month, we have it. So everything is provided in this marketing plan. So you just have to understand, begin with the end in mind. Okay, some people, they don't understand. They just start. They don't see the end point. I want you to see your end point, then begin your journey. How much you want to grow, how far you want to go. Very important. The way to grow is your change your beliefs about yourself. So understand what you can do, what you cannot do, and we are here to help you, definitely, for sure. Hospitals, doctors, doctors, sickness health, not wellness health. We are into wellness health. Sickness is defensive, wellness is offensive. And we have 190 athletes and 5 national Olympic committees. We sponsor them in terms of nutrition. And world famous football player, soccer player, Cristiano Ronaldo is our brand ambassador. He takes Herbalife 24 brand. And Heather Jackson she's one of the foremost of running runner and sprinter and marathon runner. She takes nutrition, our nutrition, and we sponsored earlier this Pro Kabaddi, Pro Kabaddi Haryana Steelers. And you might be knowing about Sunil Chetri. He unveiled our Fit Family Fest T-shirt in Delhi. And Saina Nehwal of badminton, Manika Batra of table tennis, Lakshya Sen of badminton, Mary Kom of boxing. They are our brand ambassadors. Virat Kohli is also of cricket. He also, you must be knowing, he is also our brand ambassador. And we are supported with a lot of research, scientific basis, particularly Dr. David Heber. He is a sought after trainer. He has so many degrees. You might be having this, chart. He awarded best doctor in America for so many years. Likewise, we have Dr. Louis Ignares, Nobel Prize winner in medicine physiology for the 1998. We have topmost notable experts, doctors, medical doctors, and dietitian advisory board members. And 17 Surgeon General of America is part of our company, is a part of board of directors. He says Herbalife is the best health distribution system in the entire world. And overweight and obesity is the biggest trend now, mega trend. Aging population, skyrocketing healthcare costs, rise of entrepreneurs, fit and active lifestyle, which you are already in. Social selling, social media marketing. You can do all these learnings with us. And 1950, 2014, the comparative chart is the people who born, the people who die are the same. Okay, the numbers are the same. But in the days to come, by 2050, the people who are going to born are going to be less. The people who are going to die are going to be more. Okay, are going to be less. That means the aging population is going to be very high number. So you can understand what kind of products they're requiring. Aging population, they require, not just only fitness, they require everything, nutrition, anti-aging, healthy aging kind of stuff. And about the myth of about exercise is great. Exercise has a lot of health benefits, but as you know, for weight loss is only 20% only exercise, 80% is diet. Because if you eat one small samosa is equivalent to walking 1 hour, one piece fruit cake or one plate pakora is equal to swimming half an hour, one jam tart is equal to cycling 1 hour, one masala dosa is equal to aerobics 1 hour. So that's the reason why scientists are now very much pretty clear about the equation: 80% nutrition, 20% physical activity, 100% mindset. So in a gym, must be doing that physical activity, but their mindset is say old. They eat biryani, they eat everything, and they blame you. So that's the reason why I want you to understand about nutrition also, have a grip, a hold on nutrition, so that you can entire subject, you can able to master and make entire money by yourself. You can master it. You can amass that wealth also. So these are the people you don't usually get heart attack. Whereas here you can able to attract this kind of crowd also. So you can understand about exact fat, where is this fat, visceral fat, subcutaneous fat, and outside skyrocketing healthcare costs, we can create alternative like, people are, going to spend $18 trillion on healthcare. So that means prevention is a part of the solution. So if you are part of here, you definitely make a lot of money. So the opportunity is very huge. and weight management, health and wellness, and sports nutrition. And if you understand, this is, Indian vegetables and fruits are remain highly toxin. So because of our, pesticides, because of our poor quality of, growing and, other things, cooking methods, improper storing methods, our foods are depleted of nutrients. The nutrition what our ancestors ate is not there. So the most of the diet is imbalanced. There are some excesses and deficiencies, and this is what Ayurvedic proverb says: when diet is wrong, medicine is of no use. When diet is correct, medicine is of no need. So ultimately, diet is very important. This is what Hippocrates says: "Father of medicine, let food be thy medicine. Let thy medicine be thy food." Means food should be the medicine, not medicine should be your food. Meaning that kind of food to be eaten, your plate is supposed to be like this: it's different 7 colors of fresh foods and vegetables and so many varieties of nutrients. But unfortunately, many people don't take it in practically. So this is what Dr. Linus Pauling says: nearly all diseases can be traced to a nutrition deficiency. Most of the problems, health problems comes because of nutritional problem. So balanced nutrition, that's the reason why we require to take it. But unfortunately, many people, they don't understand this. That's the reason why they don't take it. Some people understand it, but practically not possible to take it. They don't, it's a little complicated subject. That's the reason why we have a practical solution for you. This all balanced nutrition, balanced protein, balanced calories, nutrients and fiber and carbs, everything. And alongside the balanced nutrition, we also have a healthy active lifestyle, which you are comfortable, you are doing good at. That has to be personalized, person to person. And we have 300 staff scientists, 50 plus are PhDs, and every year we sell 77 million shakes. Okay, you can understand. And right now we can understand number one brand in entire world in terms of meal replacement is ours, Herbalife Nutrition. Number one brand in meal replacement. It's like complete meal. Likewise, in number one brand in entire world in terms of weight management is Herbalife Nutrition. So that means you are becoming part of the number one brand. Very important. Likewise, our sports nutrition also, we got a lot of awards, award-winning products. And our products are very highly tested, rigorously tested, hundreds of times, 380 tests, 470 tests. You can understand. We have different range. Being a fitness instructor, now we can able to encash this kids range also for children, for height growth and bone growth and brain growth, for studies. We have the nutrition for children also. And we can also make them to do little workouts also alongside. And some mummies, parents don't understand about nutrition. So this is like a ready nutrition, ready made. So they can enjoy the good nutrition as well as you also make good money. Number two, energy and fitness. We have the good nutrition for energy, fitness. Most of the trainers, most of the clients, they become tired because tiredness is the biggest problem. So energy is the biggest problem. We have the nutrition drinks for energy drinks: ilachi, ginger, cinnamon, lemon, peach based, and including tulsi now. And we also have the metabolism booster, herbal control. And we also have core nutrition products, particularly shakes. They are very wonderful in terms of calories and nutrition dense and less in calories. In just 200 calories, a meal is done. It's all low GI, low glycemic index, even good for diabetic people. We also got these shakes as a best breakfast, a lot of awards given by the food and nutrition magazines. So multivitamin mineral herbal tablets, we have 23 multivitamin minerals in one tablet. So outside, many people are looking for this multivitamin. And we have the personalized protein powders. You also must be having personalized protein powder. But if you can borrow this, you can able to make a plan properly for yourself. What kind of proteins to be added, recommended for whom. And the meal cost is the same. There also. It's a complete meal. It's a complete meal itself. So targeted nutrition range, we have Beta Heart for cholesterol reduction, cell activator for powerful antioxidants, for food absorption, vitality, and energy. We also have some, nutrition for healthy aging or anti-aging, for, digestion. Likewise, to cleanse the intestine. We have herbal drinks, aloe vera supplements. We also have probiotics for good for gut, good for digestion. We also have cellulose for cellulite, reduction of the cellulite. And Herbalife line, we have this omega-3 fats, EPA and DHA, icosapentaenoic acid and docosahexaenoic acid for brain function, for joints, cholesterol, breast health, all that. So you anyway sell supplements. Why don't you add this also as part of your thing, and you can make a lot of money. So we have Herbalife calcium with vitamin D. It will be useful for yourself also, for your parents, as well as for your clients. We also have for joint support, cartilage based. cartilage support for glucosamine based, and scutellaria root extract and essential trace mineral copper and manganese. And most of the athletes and sports people, they have this problem. A lot of dancers, they have the problem, joint pains, because all the time they put a lot of pressure on the joints. So we also have the Nightworks. It's a discovered by Nobel Prize winner Dr. Louis Gennaro for heart patients. So this Nightworks is good for sexual health, cardiovascular, peripheral nervous system, gastrointestinal tract, immunology. So you can also use these products for during pregnancy, and also for fitness people. A lot of fitness products are there, Herbalife 24 range. These are all banned for, tested for banned substances, international high quality. These are, we have the pre-workout, during the workout, and the post-workout, products, and different ranges are there which you will come across in the training once you understand this. So lot of electrolytes are replaced, last during the sweat. So this will help you. This is a BCCA based rebuild strength, branch chain amino acids, very, very high powerful. So muscle recovery, muscle building, and we have the nutrition based products for fitness and nutrition, for collagen based for skin, and skin hydration, skin wrinkle free, fine lines and dry skin. And these are the excellent products based on fish collagen, and these are very sought after products for weight gain also. Lot of your clients will be looking for weight gain, not just exercise but also diet is also plays major role. And if you have the proper good nutrition, their skin also looks very nice. See, you can see the complexion change in the color. They look very healthy. Because of wrong eating habits, their color also goes wrong. Once you give them proper nourishment, the skin enjoys, the color glorifies. And you can see this change in the young people nowadays. Because of fat, they don't get properly married, no good matrimonials, and you can see the difference. Young people are becoming slimmer and very nice. And you also must be having some teenage obesity customers, and if they go and eat junk food, what do they use? There is no use, no. So you can see a lot of wonderful results, testimonials. My own son Rahul, you can see the transformation. He is now into fitness and exercise and diet and other things. He's now becoming like a coach. And a lot of housewives, they don't want to do exercise also, so now they don't want to come to you. Whereas here, you can give to them also. You can make a lot of money. Whether they come to you or don't come to you, can make money. Okay, so a lot of people, they for pregnancy, they use it. And particularly to lose, by losing weight, they have a lot of gynec challenges solved. And you can see some of the clients' results. And this lady must be hearing about Lavanya madam. She is actually a celebrity in Telugu film industry. She came in a lot of serials, TV serials, and she lost weight, and her husband lost weight, and children. Children are an amazing. They had the growth and brain growth and nutrition wise, they improved a lot. And these are few of our testimonials of our clients. You can see the transformation. You definitely must be having similar kind of results. But here you can see even fantastic results. Healthy glow in the skin. Even for senior citizens, you can give them. Cardiac patients, you can give them. This man lost more than 45 kilos. This man lost 53 kilos plus. So we have a lot of results like this. And basically this all comes under Indian direct selling rules, and Government of India gazetted them. So everything is a legal and ethical business now. And employment news says direct selling industry unleashing employment potential, meaning you can help a lot of people, and by giving some kind of employment, though it's not like a job, but you can engage them, you can recruit them, and you can able to help them, you can train them. So by 2025, 18 million youth are going to be having some kind of employment in this direct selling industry. Telangana government and Andhra government and lot of governments, they already legalized it. Okay, and entire Indian government also legalized it. They've made separate enactments for this. And by 2025, 64,000 crores is the industry potential of the industry. So if you are part of this industry, you can become rich. You can make good income, and at the same time you can become financially free and transform your fitness, and you definitely transform your business. So let me share my story. My name is Gnana Raju. My wife's name is Cynthia Raju. I'm 50 years now, age 50 years, and my wife's age is 42 years. Now we both are looking healthy. But before coming to sharing our story, let me explain this disclaimer. This again depend on the hard work. Like you are a hard worker, I am also a hard worker. But it's not just only hard work. I do smart work also. So I make a lot of money. And before coming to Herbalife Nutrition, this company, actually, I was a government officer before. I worked as a gazette officer in Andhra Pradesh government as Assistant Inspector General of Ration Stamps. And you can see me there, in the white shirt. So a lot of responsible jobs. My position was like very hardworking. Morning I go and come back by night as a district registrar in certain districts like Khammam and Nalgonda and Vijayawada. There I will be having all high profile contacts. But unfortunately, by the time I come back, I will be tired and I don't give my time to my children and family. All the time I will be away from my family. So there my wife, was looking for some extra income opportunity, particularly to kill her time because I was not giving my time. So we come across a newspaper advertisement saying part-time, full-time. So that's how my wife came, not me. So first my wife joined, then we resigned. I also resigned and joined. So I worked in this job for 10 years. And before that, I worked in LIC job for 5 years. I am a hardworking, student. I study a lot of books and I appear for competitive exams. This is how I got it into this. So before coming to Herbalife, I was gazetted a government officer before I worked. I have this 15 years of government public sector experience. Now you can see this transformation after using the product. Cynthia got wonderful, fantastic results. After she getting great results, then I also started using. I am also I lost 12 kilos in 2.5 months. After we getting excellent results, that's how we started sharing our experiences. That's how our business grew and by manifold, multiplied. So I want you to first you try the program, try it on yourself, get fantastic result in terms of health and energy. Then you can able to recommend a lot of people. So I'm a totally different new person. Then naturally new income will come. If you are same old ordinary person, you'll get ordinary income. So my wife's changed from caterpillar to butterfly. You can understand how transformation looks like. So that's the reason this will not come only by fitness. This comes by everything, nutrition, fitness, everything, right? So that's the reason why I want to tell you, we are like simple people, ordinary people, come simple middle class background. But I came for my children. I wanted to do something for my children. As I said, I was telling about royalty income, residual income. Even if you stop working, that income has to come, right? So at the same time, and you can only earn, you can live up to 50 years, 55, 60 years. You can earn up to that year. Afterwards, again, you have to retire. Then you cannot earn that kind of money. So this is the reason why this business will help you to earn even after your retirement. Okay, even if you don't work also, even if you don't work so much, you have to work, but very lighter work. This what when why is strong, how is easy. I want you to find out your why you want to make a lot of money, 50 lakhs, 1 crore per month, or 10 lakhs. How much, our sky is the limit. You can become better spouse. We became better spouses each other. We give most of the time to each other, and we sit in houses only. We operate everything from the home. Previously my government job, I used to go very far districts. Okay, now we are into fitness, and my wife also does 10 kilometers running. I also do 21 kilometers half marathon, and I do cycling. And you can see this, my children became taller, we both short, and because I was good nutrition, they became taller. They also into fitness, and my wife became slimmer, and we became like a better parents. This is what Abdul Kalam ji says. So he says the youth need to be enabled to become job generators from job seekers. I was a job seeker. Now I'm a job generator. You can see a lot of people are engaged through this Herbalife Nutrition. You can see a lot of people there. These are my associates, my people, my distributors who learn from me and make a lot of money. Throughout AP, Telangana, all the districts I have these kind of branches. They open their own branches, like you operate your own centers. These are like a different kind of nutrition center they open, and they also earn money. I also earn money by training them, supporting them. So do you love helping people? If you love helping people, this is a wonderful opportunity. So you can really, sky's the limit. You can grow up to Himalayas. You can, company gives us a lot of support. You can go like a guest speaker, and the company takes you around, and it tries to they will try to solicit your experience as a health coach or wellness coach. You can also give corporate presentations. Companies, a lot of software companies, a lot of different kind of companies, the youngsters, they're looking for advice, what kind of food to be eaten, how to live. So here is the opportunity for you. And Abdul Kalam ji again says success is when your signature changes to autograph. Your signature has to change into autograph. Is it really your signature is becoming autograph? If not, come into our company, where here we can help you out. Do you want to become a sought after speaker? Do you want to be recognized everywhere, inspire many people? If this is the case, please welcome here. You can see us, everywhere on the stage, inspiring people. This is what you can be doing. Whereas outside, a lot of people, they don't work like a team. Whereas here in our company, we all work like a team. That's how we improve our business. And like you, I'm also like a fitness trainer. I also conduct a lot of group workouts, fitness activities. Alongside, we also conduct educational thing. We also conduct like a club, one kind of society, community called society, healthy society, like a fitness club or nutrition club or wellness club, in which we educate, we recognize, and we share each other's success, results on weight loss and weight gain and nutrition results, wellness results, performance results. And this is the place where we introduce a lot of people. And again, Jim Rohn says, it's not the money, it's the person you become in the job is important. So it's not just the money. People think it's only money, but what kind of character are you building? In my government job, I was an arrogant officer, very arrogant, proud. Whereas here, my pride came down, my arrogance came down. I'm a ground to earth person. I talk to everyone freely. I said, as I said, I run 21 kilometer half marathon. I'm planning for a marathon. I'm a triathlete and also run, do 40 kilometer cycling at this age of 50. And my wife, she also does a lot of Pilates, yoga, and other kind of workouts. And I'm a certified nutrition fitness consultant. I'm also certified sports nutrition specialist. I'm also certified exercise science specialist, and this certification from American Society for Nutrition. I'm also CPR AED trained person, cardiopulmonary resuscitation, that means first aid treatment. So you can understand, I'm also like you. I also undergo a lot of trainings, lot of tests, and strong by Zumba and Zumba instructor. We had the valid license. So my wife was awarded as Woman for Gold in Telangana. She was a simple housewife, because I was not giving time. That's how she came. But see how she is recognized now. So Indian Direct Selling Association, IDSA, and Association of Lady Entrepreneurs of India, ALIP, they're given this, award. So Woman for Gold in Telangana. So likewise, you can grow. This is what I'm telling you. Company and government, they also recognize you eventually. And this is what you can get it over here. Balance is very important. Family life, very important. Spiritual life, your health also important. Wealth, recognition, and pleasure. This is what international vacations, everything provide you in this company. And every month we make 7-digit income. Apart from 7-digit income every month, every single month. So we also make every year also additional annual bonus of 7-digit. It's called Mark Hughes Annual Bonus Awards. We get annual bonus every year, 7-digit again. Okay, so 2011 onwards, we go to we were receiving this annual bonus. 2012 again in Los Angeles, USA, because our company is a USA company, Los Angeles based. Paris in 2013, we went and we got this award. We were this is in Eiffel Tower. You can see this in Hawaii, 2014, with our children, and our children also coming to the same business profession after their studies. And 2015 March, we were in Los Angeles again, receiving this award. 2016 again we were in Mexico, Cancun. We were receiving this award. 2017 also we received this award in North Carolina, Charlotte, America. 2018 again we went to Los Angeles and we received this Mark Hughes Annual Bonus Award. And 2019 also we received in Singapore. So 2020 we received the award from US. And these are some of the pictures. Not only annual bonus of 7-digit income, monthly income of 7-digit plus 7-digit of annual income. This also additional income called extraordinary vacation, international vacation. In my government job, and I don't have much money, no time. All the time, SAR is busy, but very less money. So very difficult to go to vacations, take family to vacation. You can see left side, I taken my wife to Goa. That's a very pathetic, vacation there, poor vacation. Whereas here, every year company takes us one kind of places, different kind of places, one country. Jodhpur, we were there in 2007 vacation. 2008, company taken us for free vacation of Australia, Mount Buller. So this is, you can see some of the pictures. Australia have been a lot of times. And this is kangaroo and penguins and emu boats. And this is in Bahamas, Paradise Island, kissing dolphin. And this is Egypt vacation. We were in the pyramids, inside of the pyramids, 2010. And in Hawaii, in submarine and riding helicopter over the volcanoes is a great experience. And Maldives vacation 2011, and say this is international cruise vacation through Singapore. This is in August 2013, Dubai vacation. 2014, we were in Hong Kong vacation. Our children also growing tall. You can see them. 2015, Bali, Indonesia vacation. 2016, Phuket, Thailand vacation. 2017, Abu Dhabi vacation. We became Abu Dhabi Sheikhs. And 2017 Abu Dhabi, then 2018 Singapore vacation. Our children becoming taller and taller. You can see them, and these are some of the pictures there. And then 2019 we became like Turkey sultans. This is the Turkey, so Istanbul, some of the pictures there. So now next year we are planning to go to South Africa. So this can happen to you, but whereas in your job you must be definitely struggling, working very hard. So you might not be getting this kind of international vacations and 7-digit income, 6-digit income, whereas here this possibility is there. And remember, one more thing is life is a collection of experiences, their intensity and their frequency. It's not just one experience. Maybe as a trainer, only one experience. We want you to enjoy the different lifestyle, different experiences. So these are different experiences. A government job, I had only one car, government car. So that was government car, not my car. This is my own car. So previously I used to go by trains and buses, now go by flights and big, wonderful cars. And in US, previously America going is a big thing for us. Now almost every year we go to America, and Australia is a big thing for us. Now we've been to Opera House, Sydney. We went to Australia several times, and Macau, like nearer to China, we were there. It is in South Korea. DMZ means demilitarized zone between North Korea and South Korea. And this is in Mexico, November 2012. And this is Mexico in South America. This is Indonesia 2015. This is feeding real tiger, Dudu, in the Thailand. This is the left side, Totas, seeing photo with the Singapore, and horse riding in Australia. And there is a real cheetah in Brisbane, touching the real cheetah. And this is, holding koala bear is a real wonderful experience in Australia. I was a government administrator to now turn into leader. Now I wanted to, you also, you can turn into leader, from trainer to leader. So once you become president team, you make 10 lakhs plus monthly income. Plus in India, we have more than 150 plus anyway, president team members, 150 approximately coming approximately. So once you become president team, company takes you abroad, free of cost, flight, accommodation, everything to US. And you can meet these kind of international people. You can see them, different countries people. So you can meet our CEO, and this you can actually meet different our ambassadors, Mary Kam and Saina Nehwal, and we had lunch with Virat Kohli. Same way, you can also have experience with different kind of our brand ambassadors. And Samantha Clayton, she's one of the Ronaldo's trainer, fitness trainer, is our trainer. So international trainers are there, Harvard nutritionists, doctors, famous dietitians, and award-winning people. They are with us. So once you are with our company, and you can become part of the biggest crowd and wonderful crowd, topmost doctors and scientists, American Surgeon General of 70 Surgeon General. How Cynthia, she started actually. Then I resigned my job and joined. Basically, it is her business. Cynthia from housewife to a businesswoman, she transformed. So when we changed, you all definitely can change. We are in a better position. We learned everything, fitness and all these dance workouts. Most of the things are your cup of the tea. So we were not having any hope before, no hope. Now we have excellent hope. And we are fortunate because we are in the same field, Fit Indian, fitness field. Indian government is encouraging like crazy Fit Indian movement by launching this Fit India movement. So now anyway you are in Fit India movement. I am also in Fit India movement. Why not to make a deal? Why not to make a big income? And you have to just dream big, capture entire market, not just one market of fitness, entire market. Sometimes we are like a small fish in a small bowl. So we wanted to come out of the bowl and come into the ocean, come into the river. So you can see your world will become bigger and bigger. This is what Bill Gates says. If you born poor, it is not your mistake. But if you die poor, it is your mistake. Don't die poor. Borning poor is not okay. It's okay. But dying poor is not okay. So you have to work hard. God-given opportunities. Exploit them and keep growing. And if you like the presentation, you have to either choose to become either preferred customer, become an associate. How to do? You have to fill up the form and give your Aadhaar card and other registrations. And you will be getting the card, ID card from us, almost free of cost. And you have to get a certificate of this FSSA, Food Safety Standards Authority of India. This is only very cheap, 500 rupees for 5 years. Okay, so 1 year 100 rupees. So you can take this registration. Then few certifications are required that will help you to do. A company will give you all the free certification kind of thing, and we conduct few trainings, and support will be is a wonderful training and support. So we give you. Don't worry. So first you have to take a decision now. If you take a right decision and change your direction, destination also will be different. But if you continue to travel in the same direction, and your destination will be same. So different direction, different destination. With the same direction, different destination. Same destination. So you have to take a decision now. And about myself, these are the chart given you, my certifications, all that. And if you want to meet us, you can call us this number. Email is, you can email us, you can chat with us. Website, Facebook, a lot of things are there. Instagram, and I'm sure definitely you'll definitely enjoy this presentation, because this is one of the important career growing. You can become financially independent. Yes, you are definitely making some money, but this gives you even more money, better money, and you are better placed. Internationally, you are getting the recognition, and you can travel abroad, and it's like a bigger opportunity for you. Outside, you may be selling. Companies provide you some kind of powder supplements to sell, but they make you little money, but they don't make you partner. So whereas this company will make you partner, and there is experienced people, senior people are there. So talk to us, talk to the person who has given you this video. They will help you how to enjoy your thing. I wanted to see you as our partner. Wish you all the best. God bless you. Thank you so much for watching this presentation. And please share to many of the people, many of your friends also, this opportunity. And please join us, and also help your friends also to join and make themselves also lucky enough to become successful. Wish you all the best. God bless you. Thank you so much. Bye.